If your Ford Maverick keeps entering deep sleep mode, the factory 12-volt battery simply lacks the reserve capacity to support the truck's electronics. Upgrading to a more robust absorbed glass mat battery offers a permanent fix without needing a dealership visit. The factory-equipped flooded lead-acid battery struggles to handle the constant phantom drain from the onboard connectivity modules. When voltage drops below a critical threshold, the truck shuts down non-essential systems to preserve starting power. Swapping out the undersized stock battery for an H5 or Group 47 AGM battery is a straightforward job you can tackle in your driveway. The battery tray inside the Maverick already has enough room to accommodate this slightly larger footprint. You will need a 10mm socket to disconnect the battery terminals and a longer extension to reach the hold-down clamp. Always remove the negative terminal first to prevent accidental short circuits while working around the engine bay. Lift the old unit out and drop the new AGM battery into the tray while ensuring the posts are oriented correctly. Secure the hold-down clamp tightly and reconnect the positive terminal before reattaching the negative side to complete the circuit. Once everything is tightened down, you must reset the battery monitoring system so the alternator charges the new battery properly. This simple upgrade provides peace of mind and keeps your hybrid or EcoBoost Maverick ready to drive every morning.